We do road building, sewer, bridge work, a real variety of heavy civil type work. Our fleet size is between 50 and 70 pieces of iron. Skilled operators are harder and harder to find today, and our initial feeling was that this would turn an average operator into a more productive operator. What we've really been impressed by is how productive a really good operator can become with the GPS system.
Based on operator feedback, there's less lost time with inaccuracies in grading, because you're able to place material once and once only. It's not about placing material to a certain level, getting it close because somebody said plus or minus visually 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, or cut 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches. You're down, you're cutting, and you're to grade. You're filling, you're to grade. It's not overfilling, it's not overcutting. It's everything is done once and once only. What I used to guess would take 2 days could take now half a day, because I'm not concerned about having to put up grade stakes, losing grade stakes. We can pretty much just go at any given task and not have to worry about layout.
I think the ease of use has always been there with the TopCon system, right from the software input all the way through to putting the mapping onto the dozer and getting the machine working. There's more usability with TopCon than there is with Trimble.
The system's been flawless thus far. I've been able to do things on the fly. I can do quick surfaces. Well, things that stand up is the setup time, for starters. It's a no-brainer. I'm able to set up as fast as I can get to my base station antenna, or mounting point. My base station is up and running with the hit of the button. Even setting up on the dozer in the morning, as opposed to the old system where it was 2 antennas. It's just 1 antenna, the receiver inside the dozer, and bang, you're up and running. I'm not fumbling with cables, 2 antennas. It's also been very beneficial for layout. Laid out points for the caisson driller quickly, accurately. And this is going up to comparison to a third-party layout as well, just as a check, and we've been bang on with layout, so it's been priceless.
The TopCon system has integrated nicely with the John Deere equipment. We've factory ordered a couple of pre-wired machines, a 750 and a 450, and the package has really come together nicely. So they really do complement each other well. We're working more closely with consultants to get the digital plans downloaded from them directly.
It's probably the most helpful tool I've ever had, or ever had available to me on a site. Really? In terms of productivity, yeah, absolutely.
It didn't take long for everyone around our table to be convinced of the efficiency of the GPS systems. It really is the way of the future, and as they become more and more user-friendly, they just become that much better a tool. And when you see a powerful tool like that, you want to think of where else you can take advantage of it. Contracting, I think, anywhere is a competitive industry, and I think in the Toronto market there are more contractors per square mile than anywhere else in North America, so low cost is key, and so if we can put more gravel in the ground or excavate more material, then that flows to the bottom line. Makes us more competitive, so we can be successful on bidding more jobs and make more profit at the end of the day.